Play this daily, and you'll start remembering these lifestyle improvement concepts without studying. Your brain learns through repetition and rhythm, so when you hear something enough times, it sticks automatically. That's what Sound Mind Life is designed to do. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Just listen.
Journaling calms your brain when your thoughts are racing fast and your heavy feelings last. When your mind feels full of noise, writing helps restore your voice. Journaling is more than words, more than thoughts that just get heard. It helps your brain slow down and see what's happening inside of me. You're feeling brain and thinking brain start working together again. Instead of pulling different ways, they learn to work through stressful days. Write it down, calm your mind, leave the mental noise behind. Name the feeling, make it clear, turn confusion into steer. Trim the feeling, train your brain, lock the habit in again. Little pages day by day, help the stress just fade away. When you write the feelings down, big emotions calm around. That's emotion labeling too, giving feelings words to move. I feel nervous, I feel sad. Naming feelings helps your brain adapt. The feeling doesn't disappear, but it feels less strong and easier. Writing by hand can really help slow your thoughts and know yourself. Pen and paper move with you, helping your brain process too. Your planning brain begins to guide the reactive brain inside. What once felt messy, loud and wild starts becoming calm and mild. Write it down, calm your mind, leave the mental noise behind. Name the feeling, make it clear, turn confusion into steer. Trim the feeling, train your brain, lock the habit in again. Little pages day by day, help the stress just fade away. Trim means simplify the stress, find the feeling and express what's the fear beneath it all. Now the emotion feels less tall. Train your brain with different styles, expressive writing for a while, gratitude for what went right. Reframing helps you think with light. What happened? What did I learn? What will I do at my next turn? That's how stronger thinking grows and emotional wisdom shows. Lock it in through repetition, that's how brains build new conditions. Every page you write by hand helps emotional balance stand. Over time you start to see stress won't hit as heavily. You recover faster too, clearer thoughts come shining through. Write it down, calm your mind, leave the mental noise behind. Thoughts and feelings start to blend, helping your brain heal again. Trim the feeling, train your brain, lock the calmness in your frame. Journaling can help you see calm becomes your new routine. Feelings turn to words, and then words help heal the mind again.